Just when I got one toolbox out of here, we picked up another one because my brother-in-law said he needs a toolbox. I found this one for $150 full of tools. I thought that was an amazing deal, so I jumped on it. Literally picked it up about 20 minutes ago and haven't even gone through it myself. So I figured let's do it together. Always a fun way to start off a toolbox, the top being full of sockets. I'll pull these all out and sort them just so we can both get a sense of the brands here. From my first glance here, it looks like there's a good amount of Craftsman, which, you know, I can't complain about. Nothing really catches my eye, but it looks like we do have some keys for the box. Ratcheting wrench, I think for a battery terminal. I think that's a pretty common type of tool that's like that. Looks like a few other things. Some more keys, extensions, socket rails, railroad spike, and lots of just different sockets. Some Allen keys. So why don't I pull this out? We can kind of see the distribution here. This top drawer also has some sockets, so might as well include those into our calculation. Results are in, and within the top and that top drawer, this section here in the front was all no-name Japanese, Taiwan, Chinese sockets. So those I kind of lumped together with this extension. This area is all Craftsman USA sockets, which you know me, I love. I haven't had any issues with, so I love them, and I feel like they're pretty good sockets. These are all Stanley sockets, so only a couple there. An Allen socket, no name on this guy. I think this one was Vim. Yep, a Vim impact socket. This, which one was this one? Sparta? I've not ever heard of them, so if you know anything about Sparta tools, please share below. Matco T40 missing the bit, so sad day. And then this, just I think it's just USA somewhere. No, Bonnie. Never mind, Bonnie, which is a good USA brand. This just said USA. So all in all, a nice way to start off the set. Lots of sockets and some socket rails. As far as what's left on the top, not too much to write home about. Fortunately, I found the keys for the box, some bits. This is a socket tray right there. Some broken things. I believe that's the tip cleaners for welding. Soldering pen? I don't know. Miscellaneous Allen keys. And then here's some odd ends. A pawl, which is nice. And then I've never seen a nut like that that has that cut in it. Anyone know what that might be used for? This is our Allen key drawer. Can't see any brand names, but obviously a good assortment of sizes. Drawer number 3 contains, looks like some chisels. I believe these are bits for an air hammer, or this was at least. Putty knife. Looks like some broken things. Lots of well-used and loved punches. I think that's the take-home for this drawer. And I don't know what this... All right, help teach me something. What is this for? So there's a few of them. So I have no idea what these two are for. Oh, well, I guess I shouldn't have gotten too excited about organizing the sockets, but we'll make this quick. Looks like Pittsburgh Proto. This is Proto. Fine. Keep your secrets then. Looks like Stanley. Power belts. These are some nice impact sockets. At least to have the size. 24. I don't think I have a 24 millimeter socket. Craftsman. Ooh, we have some taps and dies, which are always handy. Some cheap pliers. A rigid pipe wrench. They make some very good pipe wrenches. And some snap ring pliers. Wonder who makes these. That's it for that drawer. Well, that's a lot of sockets. This next drawer looks like lots of Craftsman wrenches. Bonnie. But lots of Craftsman USA wrenches. Mechanics products. Cool. I really like these. Who makes this one? Proto. Ugh. And it looks like more. Some Husky. Proto. No namers. Workline. Samsung Leverjaw. Huh. Cool. Let's see. Yeah, no name, Sears. Anybody know when they stopped making Sears wrenches? I'd be very interested to know. USA. Huh. Oh, cool. Alright. Oh, some offset wrenches. DB6C. Great neck. Okay, those are obviously the part numbers. So Great Neck, which I don't think it's the best brand in the world, but it gets the job done, and that's all that matters. So nice set of offset wrenches. And I know what this is for. I feel like it's for not a distributor, but maybe a pulley bolt. I don't know. I know that there's a specific reason for those angling, but I don't know. Off the top of my head, I don't know. Then down here, some oil filter wrenches. Oh. Made in USA, caution, wear gloves. Okay, well that didn't teach us much. Anyway, another one. What is this, compression tester? From Sears, I'm guessing. Take a guess on that. Little mallet. Torque wrench. And some sledgehammers. The heads feel a little loose. That one actually doesn't feel too bad. So that's the top box. And now for the side cabinet, which I was actually very impressed with the condition of this thing. We do have the cover here. I'll figure that out later, and we'll see what's under there in just a minute. The toolbox rolls really nicely. We got lots to kind of poke through. Love junk drawers. This is where the magic is. I don't like seeing calipers just kind of thrown in there. But anyway, yeah, like I said, Allen keys. Some kind of press or crimping tool. like all sorts of parts and bits and batteries and who knows what else. What other magic is in here? Sockets. Yeah. Wow. I don't even know what half this stuff is. So we'll have to go through it and organize it and see what we got, because it looks like there is some tools and some junk. But that will be a project in and of itself. Within the second drawer, socket set. Well, it looks like an impact driver, so it has some parts in there. This, I believe, is a calculator, a little pocket calculator. Who needs that when you have a phone? Proto. And we got some Proto sockets in there, some Allen keys. So, let's see, what is in this case? Some bits and a driver. And another set of bits and a driver. No idea who makes this. Very cool. What is this? KD Tools 3191. Look that up. Lug nuts. I don't know what that is. Looks like a tool though. An imp. Missing its handle. Oh, no longer missing its handle. And yeah. Okay. A soldering gun. Ouch. We'll see if that guy has life to it. Oil filter wrench. What is this? A ball joint? Yeah, let's see a ball joint. Is there an actual ball joint in there? Let's see. Nope. Oh well. Ooh, big, what is that? Probably almost an inch to a half inch, I'm guessing, adapter. No, 3/4 to half inch. Caliper compressing tool. Well, there's part of a ball joint. Oh, that's cool. Huh. Oh, that's from Matco. Junk. Some, yeah, lots of oil change stuff, as you can tell. Filters, wrenches, and pliers. Snap-on. Knowing our luck, there'll be nothing in there. And look at that. We can store drill bits. Or it's an extractor set. I mean, that'd be cool. Maybe we'll find the actual pieces. So it looks like we have a scavenger hunt now. Anyway, as far as what's on the bottom, I'm guessing these are all adapters for a ball joint press tool or just any kind of pressing tool. Looks like just a punch and die. I don't know. That's my first thought, but maybe the hole is too small for something like a ball joint press. Anyway, so it looks like there's lots of adapters with their die. As you can see right here, worn. Okay, that's just telling us to be safe. Okay, lots more fasteners. Looks like there is a specialty tool here for a Ford Explorer. And we got it still in there. Handle of some sort. And then this is part of the box. So we got our work cut out for us, but you know, 150 bucks, good deal, I'd say. What are your thoughts? Here on the bottom, we'll have to fix that drawer, but a nice set of tools. Ratchet, quick wrench, ratcheting wrenches from, oh, these are from Matco. That one at least is. This one, Americraft, also made in the USA. Blue Hawk ratcheting wrench, broken screwdriver, broken ratchet, screwdriver, random square, extension, socket, no, yes. Why is it completely hollowed out? I don't know. And there's no part number. A mystery for another time. Oil filter wrench. Some screwdrivers. Some more cheap wrenches. Or ratchets. Can't speak today. Screwdrivers. And I can barely read that. Ingalls 20? Ingalls. This is a 2-in-1. Yeah, this is a 2-in-1. Okay, Craftsman. Yeah, you see what I've seen. All right, second drawer here. All right, we're gonna need to work on this drawer too. Yikes. Okay. Looks like some Craftsman screwdrivers. Their socket. Some screwdrivers. Yeah, lots of screwdrivers here. Craftsman metric with nothing in it. Yeah, some stuff like that. And yeah. So yeah, just some assortment of different tools here. This drawer got some compressor tool or compressing tools for pistons on brakes. Looks like some various parts. Another wrench. It's gonna annoy me that I can't remember what that's for. Puller from SK. And vacuum gauge. And that's it for this drawer. Here on the bottom, we have a grease gun from OEM Tools. We have a puller set, looks like just Taiwan brand. Multi-wrench, I don't know. I don't know if these things are even good, but we have one. 8-piece rim stud extension. Let's look into that. Looks like some solder. Soldering pen has been smushed. Empty cases. Oh, I stand very much so corrected. Looks like some cutters from Blair Cutter. Blair Cutter kit. What do we have here? A socket or a wrench holder from Blue Point. That'll be nice. Looks like this is actually from Snap-on. CT4D. A little tester. And yeah, not too bad, I'd say. And the last drawer, the one that we need to fix, is like there's an old screwdriver holder and then a clipboard. So this will need some work. Let's work on that. I personally feel like friction style drawers consistently have problems. I have detailed videos how to fix it if you ever have issues. Basically, it's about bending the drawer guides back into place and getting it so they smoothly glide. Although it's ugly, the first idea that came to mind was securing the face of the drawer to the sides with the bolt and washers. Replacement probably would have been ideal. Well, good news and bad news. Good news is I did get it in and somewhat functional, emphasis on somewhat, but the bad news is this drawer is just really beat up. I mean, you can see it's definitely rusted, it's dented, and because of that, it doesn't slide easily. I tried messing with bending these slides, messing with the drawer itself, but it's janky. So it works for the most part, but I don't know. This is probably the best I'm going to be able to get it in the time that I'm going to need to give it to him by. So I guess they'll just have to hold him over until, he decides to get a different box, or, maybe we get a new drawer. But at least we went from actually not having a drawer in here, completely unusable, to somewhat usable. So step up, right? I found this attachment that just goes on any box. It looks like it's for pry bars. Pretty nifty. And I just found that he also gave me the side tray. Made in Canada. Very nice. He also gave me this hatch cover that I gotta figure out how it works, because right now it's not closing all the way, but nice to have another piece of the puzzle. And I have that key for the lockdown there. Lots of work, but I think I got this box in a lot better condition. Removed the cardboard from in here, tried to clean up the years and years of grime and dirt, but with the time allotted I have left, didn't have enough time to really give it a deep clean. But fortunately, the top box is really in nice condition. It has those locks on the back, so once you close the lid, all the drawers stay in place. Fortunately, we have the key for the top box, so you can lock that, or unlock it, and then lock it. Always nice to have that. Fortunately, we also have the key for the bottom half of the box, so we can lock those drawers. Did a good amount of cleaning on these ones. Again, the only issue is this one drawer here that I'm not going to open right now because it's a pain to have to deal with. But for a free toolbox and a USA made one, I did find this information in the top. It's a S793, so I don't know if that means it came out in 1993, but if you know anything about this box, let me know. Decent little box. Loaded up and ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Any help with identifying the tools or any story behind the makers of these tools, I always appreciate. Thanks again. See you in the next one. Now for my roll cart, I now almost have a full set of metric wrenches with a wrench holder just from that toolbox. This also came with it. Stay Put magnetic tool holder. So it's just two simple magnets right there that you can use to create a little case and carry your whatever tools in there with it.